Moving abroad, what to do to your property? Kindly listen to the end of this video. Number 1, house sit. Find a trusted house sitter to live in your home while you are traveling. This ensures your property is cared for and maintained. Number 2, rent it out. Consider renting your property to tenants for the duration of your travels. This can generate a steady stream of income and keep the property occupied, reducing risks of burglary or vandalism. Number 3, turn it into a vacation home. Wow. If your property is in a desirable location, consider turning it into a vacation home. This could be for your own use or rented out to vacationers. It's a good way to keep the property utilized and generate some revenue. Number 4, use it for short-let rentals. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent out your property to travelers on a short-term basis. This can be a great way to generate income and keep your property maintained while you are away. Number 5, lease it to a business. Depending on the zoning and location, you might lease your property to a business owner. This can be a long-term arrangement that provides stable income, especially if your property is in a commercial or mixed-use area. Kindly like, follow and subscribe to this page. Also, to reach us, send a message to the number on your screen. If you are watching this video for the first time, this is landproperty.ng and my name is Adonu, and that means sweet to have, and I will always bring you sweet deals.